what I tell Madam, the same thing to save customer. You have to take for order. When order you put in time. And the material also, this is no change. No change material.
Material,
Yeah,
the quality, and the time, delivery time.
Delivery time.
Oh, that's very helpful.
This is
Thank you very much.
important for us.
It was important we met. You met, you talked to me, you understand now. But before I didn't meet you or anything, and it's just over the phone. So it makes it a bit hard. So that's why always in business, if it's a direct approach, it makes a huge difference. See, because Hannah came, did you see what happened now? Why I keep on saying, okay, Hannah, okay, Mr.
Everything okay, right?
That's why I say that, because that makes a lot of difference. Or else if she wasn't here today, Miss Tang wasn't here, we would have not been able to solve this issue.